YouTube. Today I got my very awaited purchase from China from a fast tech store. This is a smart battery charger. This device can charge I believe every type of battery, and mostly important for me that it can charge from 4A size to even D size batteries, and I think it can charge even multiple D size batteries at the same time. Because this is a smart charger, it can charge 4 batteries simultaneously at the same time by varying the charging current. It can charge every battery in different mode. When charging, it can show voltage, current, resistance, and capacity on the screen. So every parameter of the battery can be monitored, and it's powerful. It has 10 amps of current total. It can charge even 3 batteries at 3 amps current at the same time. So this is pretty nice. It cost me $33 from Fast Tech Store. So let's see what's inside. It came in a pretty well secured package with all the plastic bubbles. This is manual in Japanese and English languages. Oh, they add a little battery container that was not in description. That's nice. Yeah, this device feels pretty heavy. It have nice vent holes in the back. It also have a USB output, so you can use it like a power bank. Nice firmly springs, and it's important that it even came with a power adapter and all the cables you need for that. It's 12 volts, 5 amps adapter. It's nice to have adapter for $33 to include, and a cable. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.